With the onset of COVID-19 pandemic, the world has come to a standstill. Empty streets have become the new normal. Industries are closed and thousands of people have been laid off. People are out of work, public gatherings have been banned, and above all, millions of people have been succumbed to the virus. Many non-essential services have been hit hard. Combining all this, not only developing nations, but also the developed countries have been bearing the brunt of COVID-19. In these unprecedented times, it has become extremely important to know about the origin of coronavirus to help mitigate the risk of similar outbreaks in the future. In addition to the controlling of COVID-19, we must undertake vigorous scientific public health and applied research addressing the emergence of the disease to prevent this tragic history from repeating itself. On the similar lines, American intelligence agencies are redoubling their efforts to investigate the origin of the coronavirus. The orders came from President Joe Biden to prepare a report on their most up-to-date analysis of the origin of the virus, including whether it emerged from human contact with an infected animal or from a laboratory accident in Wuhan, which became the epicenter of the disease first. Let's hear what America's top expert on infectious disease, Dr. Anthony S. Fauci, has to say.
More likely that this is a natural occurrence, as has happened with SARS-CoV-1, where it goes from an animal reservoir to a human. But we don't know 100% the answer to that. And since this is a question that keeps being asked, we feel strongly, all of us, that we should continue with the investigation and go to the next phase of the investigation that the WHO has done. So because we don't know 100% what the origin is, it's imperative that we look and we do an investigation. And that's how we feel right now.
Meanwhile, a sizable number of countries have supported the call for the investigation of the genesis of COVID-19. And here I quote the joint statement of a group of 14 countries. Together we support a transparent and independent analysis and evaluation free from any interference and undue influence of the origin of COVID-19 pandemic. These countries are Australia, Canada, Czech Republic, Denmark, Estonia, Israel, Japan, Lithuania, Norway, South Korea, Slovenia, Britain, and the US. March this year, the WHO World Health Organization sent a team of 17 international researchers to Wuhan to examine the questions such as whether the coronavirus originated in the Wuhan seafood market in China. Meanwhile, India has also emphasized the need for next phase studies on the origin of COVID-19 pandemic to reach a robust conclusion. Calling the WHO conveyed global study on the origin of COVID-19 as an important first step, Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson Adhiranjan Bagchi, in response to a media question, said, and I quote, "The WHO conveyed global study on the origin of COVID-19 is an important first step. It stressed the need for next phase studies as also for further data and studies to reach robust conclusions. The follow-up of the WHO report and further studies deserve the understanding and cooperation of all." The conclusive investigation of the origin of COVID-19 could lead to the imperative answer related to the virus, which would further allow the scientists to prevent future pandemic before they start. This is it in today's section. Thanks for watching.